Hi, today I'm for the Motorola One 5G Ace and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's just open the Movies application, and here you should find now one from these available. Just if you'll just open the edge slice, switch it to the AD section, select one from these stems which you will like, click to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds of these stems, just select one from these backgrounds, click apply, change it to the music controls. If you want to hide them after 10 seconds or just don't hide them, you should slide this white dot on this panel. If you want to turn on and turn off option to show the notifications or the date, you should just use the switchers. And to show the battery status always while device charging or just to don't show it, you should also select it here. So let's click to the six icons, switch AD to the settings, tap to always on display. Here we can change also screen lock option on the always on display option on the lock screen to show it always while device charging or where we'll play the music. We can also use these options separately. We can change the screen timeout from 1 minute to never, to increase or decrease the brightness level, and to close it with a double or single tap. Also, if you use this, you can close it on screen off and with the shadow, so we can set the start and the end time of the AD option and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Motorola device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.